So active this text box and copy this text box, drag and drop at this position, select all and type revenue, resize, drag left, then select all, change the text color, this color, again select this text box and copy this text box, type in this position, select all, insert formula inside this text box, active this sheet, select this value, press enter key, then select all, change the font type Calibri and change the text color this color. Then I copy and paste at this position, press Ctrl key, copy these two text box, press mouse and drag at this position, change the formula in this cell, type here M6, press enter key, because the name of this cell reference is MC for this state. Click on Format Painter, then click on this text box, press Ctrl key, select this text box, copy and paste, drag and drop at this position, then change the formula, type M7, press enter key, click on Format Painter, then click on this text box. Similarly, I copy all these text box and paste at this position, press Ctrl key, select these text box and copy these text box, press mouse and drag right. Then I change the formula inside the text box, but first I paste here these two text box, copy and paste, drag and drop at this position, then change the formula in this text box. For this state, the cell reference is M8, type here M8, press enter key and type here M9, type here M10, then type here M11, press enter key. Click on Format Painter, so I see here when I select any month, the values are also changed in these text box. Next, I add here another text box that will show total sales value. Select this text box, copy and paste this text box at this position, resize, select all, enter equal sign, then select this value, press enter key. Again select all, I format this value, change the text color this color, click on bold, increase the text size up to 24. Next, I create another pivot table to extract number of quantity values. So active this sheet, click on Insert tab, then click on Pivot Table, click OK. Rename this sheet Calculations 1, press Enter key. So drag and drop months field in columns box, state field in rows box, and quantity field in values box. I want only month name, so remove years and quarters field. I repeat the same steps as well as I performed in the calculation sheets to create drop down list. Active any cell, click on Data tab, then click on Data Validation, select List. In this box, select these values, click OK. Select any month, so I see drop down list is created. Rename this text, press Enter key. So copy these text, press Ctrl+C shortcut keys and paste here. Decrease the width of this column, active this cell, press Enter key and give the name of this cell reference in this cell. Active this cell, press Enter key. So if I select any month, I see here the month is changed. In this cell, I insert the formula, that is index and match functions. I paste the same formula from this sheet, copy this formula, then active this sheet, paste here, press Enter key, copy and paste. Then active this sheet, press Ctrl key and copy these two text box, press mouse and drag down. Type here quantity, then select this text box. I change the formula inside this text box. So this is cell reference M5, press Enter key. Format this text. Similarly, I paste in other donut charts. Ctrl key, copy and paste, drag down. Change the formula, press Enter key. Similarly, press Ctrl key and select this text box. Copy and paste these two text box and paste here. Then I change the formula. Type M7, press Enter key. Then format these two text box. Then select these two text box, copy and paste at this position, change the formula and type here M8, press Enter key. Then I select these text box, press Ctrl+C shortcut keys and press Ctrl+V, press mouse and drag right. Then I change the formula inside the text box, type M9, and M10. Type here M11, press enter key, then format, select revenue value text box, and slightly move right. Similarly, I add here these two text boxes that will show total number of quantities. So copy this text box, drag and drop here, select all and type total quantities. Resize this text box, copy and paste this text box at this position. Change the formula inside this text box. Give the cell reference name M12. Press enter key. Then format. Next, I add here column and line charts.